Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Don't like to do the cleaning task, and maybe due to lack of time it wouldn't be possible to clean the house. So, how about buying a robot for these chores? Robot vacuum cleaners are designed to perform the cleaning task efficiently. Number 5 Odesta Robotic Floor Cleaner, and sweeps even the smallest particles. You can choose between the two cleaning programs, 30 minutes and 120 minutes. It has no cords, it works with a rechargeable battery. Changes direction when objects. Disposable electrostatic cleaning. Offers 2 cleaning programs. Number 4 P3P4960 VBot Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. It has a rotating brush, and the best thing about the P3P4960 VBot Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is that it doesn't make noise while cleaning. Robotic Vacuum Cleaner for wood. 3 pre-programmed modes. Rotating brush for bare floors. Number 3 iRobot Brava 320 Floor Mopping Robot. Single charge, that means you can sit back and this mini robot will clean the house. It perfectly cleans the rug, carpets, along with the wall area, and hardwood surfaces. Compact Robot Floor Cleaner. North Star Navigation System. Whisper Quiet Operation. Number 2 Infinuvo CleanMate QQ2 Basic, and Vacuum all in a single step. It proffers UV light that eliminates all the germs, bacteria, infections, and allergens from the floor, leaving it spotless. It gives a runtime of 80 minutes with a single charge of 3 hours. 3-in-1 automatic cleaner. Remove debris, dirt, fine dust. Direct cleaner movements. Number 1 iRobot Roomba 4210 Discovery Vacuuming Robot. It allows the machine to clean every corner of the house. It also proffers dirt bin, automatic adjustment to all floors, constant cleaning of 2 hours, stasis sensor, edge cleaning side brush, remote control, 3-hour charger, 2 air filters, and rechargeable battery. Robotic floor vaults. Auto adjusts to any floor surface. Edge cleaning side brush,